Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through common maintenance for your eufy. This is the Omni C20 robot vacuum and mop. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. So we'll start with the top first. There's really not much to do up here. Just check this channel for the bumper. If you ever notice any crumbs or debris building up, you want to get those out of that channel. And then we can pop the top off right here. And that reveals our dust bin. This is where you'll probably spend the most time maintaining it throughout the course of owning this vacuum. That's going to be replacing the filter here. So we have a little filter lid, and then we can pop the filter out, and you can replace that as needed. You can breathe some new life into these filters by banging them out occasionally or grabbing compressed air. That'll really help clean these up. And then inside, if you ever need to deep wash the dustbin or anything, you can do that with the filter removed. Don't get the filter wet, and then you'll be able to put all that back together. And inside here, you can keep an eye on any debris or obstacles or obstructions that may accumulate over time, but very simple to clean out as needed. Moving along to the side of the vacuum, on the front, you just want to keep an eye on that sensor. Make sure it's clean, so wipe down as needed. You can wipe down the whole front bumper if you want. On the back, charging contacts, make sure they're clean. If you ever notice any hair or dust or anything right here, this is just the little lid for the self-empty. That's how all the contents move from the vacuum's dustbin to the station empty. So you can lift that up and clean in there as needed. And just wipe down any of the sensors that you see. Even on the bottom are cliff sensors. Want to make sure those are wiped down. You can detangle any hair that's wrapped around here. And once this wears out, you can just pop a new one in place. Same with the main brush roller. If you still notice detangles, even with the comb, you can just cut those away, and once the main brush roller wears out, very easy to replace. It just pulls right out, and then you can take your new one and put it right back in. Simple and straightforward. And same thing with the mop pads. Once they wear out, it's just Velcro. You can grab new ones.
Enter vacuum only mode.
You can also wash these deeper than the station if you want by peeling them off and putting them in like your washing machine. But very easy. The common parts and components here are all replaceable, and then just wipe down the vacuum as you see dirt or dust building up.